Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how certain types of breads can make you depressed. Because low quality bread can make you sick, causing digestive problems as well as depression. People all over the world have been eating bread for centuries. The type of bread, ingredients, and baking method are more likely to cause depression than the bread itself. The same is true for meat. It is not the meat that makes you sick, it is the quality of the meat and how well it is cooked. Bad quality bread can cause bloating, heartburn, and indigestion. The connection between eating low quality bread and depression is easily overlooked by most people. My years of experimentation and personal experience have taught me that eating poor quality bread may worsen mental illness by putting too much strain on your organs and digestive system, which can have an effect on your brain and mood. Eating low quality bread can sap your energy and leave you feeling foggy and depressed. For instance, according to mental health experts, Ireland's best-selling sliced pan bread can cause severe depression due to additives that have a negative impact on psychological health. That's why I want to make people aware of the dangers of eating low quality bread and why people should choose the right bread for their health and vitality. I can tell if the bread is properly baked by looking at it and touching the crust and inside the loaf. Also, when I put the bread in my mouth and chew it. Finally, how I felt after eating the bread. First, if the loaf does not appear fresh and properly baked, do not purchase it. You must inspect the crust, interior, and flavor. The inside of the bread should not look like a cotton ball with a rancid oil smell. If you're gluten sensitive, you may be more sensitive to the negative effects of poor quality bread as it increases depression and brain fogginess among gluten sensitive people. Bread without a nice crispy crust isn't worth your time. If a baker claims to make excellent flavored bread, you should be able to smell it before biting into a piece. Any good bread should taste good. It shouldn't taste like eating air. Mediterranean countries with the best bread makers include Turkey, Albania, Greece, Italy, France, and some Balkan countries. Germany, on the other hand, is surprisingly one of the best bread makers. The worst are from Western countries such as Canada and South American countries when it comes to making the worst bread. Asians also don't consume too much bread and are not good at making it. This is one of the reasons why depression is becoming more prevalent in Canada. Unfortunately, the additives in bread that are banned in Europe are being used in Canada and United States. But no one knows about it and no one has figured it out yet. Hopefully, people will discover this video and benefit from it. For example, how pizza dough differentiates and have an impact on how well you digest and how you feel after you eat certain pizzas. Certain breads are exactly the same. Sourdough bread is my favorite bread and it's the healthiest bread you can eat. Conclusion: if you want to avoid depression and digestive issues, don't buy packaged bread that contains preservatives and additives. Don't consume frozen bread, oily bread, bread with too many nuts and seeds that make chewing difficult, white bleached bread and non-fresh bread. All of these types of bread can be harmful to your health by causing digestive problems and depressive disorders. The best options are leavened sourdough bread and rye bread, which is easier to digest and contains the most nutrients. I hope this video was beneficial. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.